Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get the B&Q best discount promo code in 2025, then this video is for you. So right now you can see I'm on the B&Q official website where you can see they are running a discount campaign here. That is, you can get up to 50% savings on selecting outdoor living here. So you can grab this discount that is currently running on their official website. Now you can go to the couponchief.com/DIY. So this website or this URL will help you to get this a page where you can find all the deals and discounts in just one page. So you have to do is simply click on get deal, and it will just redirect you to the B&Q where you can go with the clearance and you can get the free shipping on B&Q. So also the 75% on clearance sales, here it is. So right now there is no product on clearance, but you can check whenever you want, and you can check daily and see if there's any product on clearance, so you can get it on 75% off. Now you can also find some promo code here, so simply click on it to get this promo code. Simply click on copy and you can use it whenever you're going to purchase something. Now the second website, that is voucher.co.uk. so you can follow this URL like voucher.co.uk/discount codes/diy.com, where you can find B&Q discount codes in just one page, where you can find the details about the discount here and you can find more details. So simply click on get voucher to reveal this code. Here you can see it has just revealed it. So there is some terms and conditions. So if you join the club so then they will allow you to redeem the offer. So if you join their club, they will send the code via email that you can see they have just written like here. So you have to follow the instruction and you can enjoy the offer from B&Q. Now the third website is couponfollow.com/site/diy.com, where you can also find some updated coupon codes here. So you can simply click on show promo code and it will reveal the promo code here. Simply click on copy to copy this promo code and you are good to go to use it on your B&Q website that can give you some exciting deals and discounts. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.